everyone, welcome to Microbiological Insights. Today in this video we are going to see about another important technique, that is the symbol staining technique. This is the basic technique in the microbiology subject, okay? I already posted a video about the preparation methods of microscopic slide before staining the specimen. I will provide you the link in the description box. If you want to watch that video, please click that link and watch, okay? Now we will see the symbol staining technique in detail. Symbol staining. Symbol staining means single dyes are used in this technique. The microorganisms often can be stained very satisfactorily by symbol staining, in which a single dye is used. This staining method is easy to use. So in this staining technique we are going to use only a single dye. So it is easy to use this technique also, and it is very fast to carry out this technique. So what are the dyes we are going to use in this technique? We are using the basic dyes such as crystal violet, methylene blue and carbofuchsin. These dyes are frequently used in this technique, okay? And this technique helps us to determine the size, shape and arrangement of the prokaryotic cells. So through this technique we can identify the size of the microorganism and shape. Shape means whether it is cocky or rod. So we can identify the shape. Then arrangement. Arrangement means how it is arranged. That is if it is arranged in pairs or tetrads or sarcinae or chains or bunches. So we can determine the arrangement of the microorganisms also through this technique. So if you want to identify the size, shape and arrangement of a prokaryotic cells, this is the fastest method to identify the microorganism, okay? Let us move on to the principle of this technique. In symbol staining, the bacterial smear is stained with a single reagent, which produces a distinctive contrast between the organism and its background. So, in the symbol staining technique, we are using only a single reagent to stain the microorganism. There is a distinctive contrast between the organism and its background. So, it is easy to visualize through the microscope. Usually the basic stains have the positively charged chromophore. I already told in that previous video, okay? So these basic dyes or the positively charged basic dyes stain the negative charge molecule. So the bacterial, nucleic acid and cell wall components carry the negative charge, okay? The purpose of symbol staining is used to elucidate the morphology and arrangement of bacterial cells. So, through this symbol staining, we can elucidate or identify the morphology and arrangement of the bacterial cells. Then let us move on to the procedure of the symbol staining technique. First, we have to take a clean microscopic slide. After cleaning the slide, we have to smear the microorganisms. You have to make a thin smear of the microorganisms and air dry the microscopic slide. After air dry only we have to heat fix the microbial smear. After heat fixing, flood the slide with stain for a short period, such as if we are using carbofuchsin means we have to wait for 15 to 30 seconds. If you are using crystal violet means you have to wait for 20 to 60 seconds to stain the microorganism. Or if you are using the methylene blue dye means you have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes to stain the microorganism, okay? Then after that, wash the excess stain off with water and blot the slide dry. After waiting for 1 or 2 minutes or 15 to 30 seconds, we have to wash the excess stain with water and blot the slide dry. After air dry the slide is observed under the microscope. And this is the schematic diagram of the symbol staining technique. First you have to take the clean glass slide. If you are using the liquid culture means you have to take one inoculation loop culture or 1 or 2 drops of the culture and make a thin smear. Or if you are using the solid culture or slant culture means you add 1 drop of distilled water to the slide. After that you have to take the culture and make a thin smear with the microorganism. After that, air dry the slide and then heat fix the microorganism. For heat fixing, you have to pass the microscopy slide through the flame. After heat fixing, you have to flood the microscopy slide with methylene blue or crystal violet or carbulfexin and wait for the required minute. Okay. After 1 or 2 minutes or 15 to 30 seconds, you have to wash the slide with tap water. After washing, you have to air dry the slide and then you observe the microorganisms under the microscope. And the last picture is the photograph of a gram-positive cocci, bunch cocci, that is the Staphylococcus aureus. Okay. The first photo is the Escherichia coli, which is stained with the crystal violet stain. The second photograph is the Corynebacterium species, which is stained using the methylene blue. The third one is the Micrococcus species, which is stained with the crystal violet stain. Next, we are going to see about the advantages and disadvantages of this technique. The advantages of this technique. In the simple staining technique, only one dye is used to stain the microbial cells. So, the basic advantage is we are using only one dye to stain the microbial cells. By using this technique, we are visualizing the morphology arrangement of the microbial cells, and this method is very easy and the fastest method to visualize the microbial cells. So, we are using only single dye. We are going to see the morphology and arrangement of the microbial cells, and it is the fastest method. This is the advantage. And what is the disadvantages of this staining? This staining technique does not give much information rather than the morphological characteristics of the bacteria. So, this technique only shows the size, shape and arrangement of the microorganism, and it does not give us much information about other than this morphological characters. So, this is the major disadvantage. And another one disadvantage is through the simple staining, we cannot classify a particular type of organism. We cannot classify the microorganism through this technique. So, it is also another disadvantage. Till now, we discussed about the simple staining technique. If you have any doubt in this technique, means you have to write your doubts in the comment section. Okay, thank you.
If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and click the bell button. If you have any more doubts, you can write your doubts in the comment section below. Thank you.